So I am running 5 VMs. So you know right now 5 VMs. Okay. You saw it how they are being run. 5 VMs. Let me open up one by one. We will capture it. So let me take a screenshot of it and then we'll paste it here. So I will paste it here also. Okay. These are the VMs that I am running. Then I will paste it here one more. Okay. So I have one is Fedora 43. Okay. This is Fedora 43. You can see it down here. This is one here. Then I have Linux here. Then there is one more called Linux. And there is one more called RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This is not a Red Hat. This is Rocky Linux. Okay. And then one more VM. This is on Ubuntu and Ubuntu 1. Okay. So you see now these are running here 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So now I will see. Okay. I am using this RHEL. Okay. This user is here. Ragwa. Okay. Someone joined, I will allow him. So this user is Ragwa here. Okay. So I have Ubuntu here machine. This is my master server. This is my worker node. Okay. And I have installed control plane here. And this is, I have renamed this as master 2. This is master 1 and this one is as a worker. Okay. This is my setup. So I have not used this Fedora 43. And this one as Linux also. This is cache Linux here. Oh, sorry. This one Linux. I have not yet used this. Okay. So I am using it 3 VMs here to demonstrate it. Okay. So we'll go back to our theoretical part. How our setup is. What exactly we are trying yesterday? Why it not worked? Okay. We will see that issues first. We have control plane here. Okay. You know now control plane, which it will be controlling everything. Okay. So you have scheduler, API server, all that you will be having in the controller. Okay. Let me bring that controller here. So I have it now. You see, this one it is running it here. Run it. I will get that control, get pods. So list of pods, I am able to see it. So I want to see the cluster information. Okay. Cube control. Show me that get. Not cube control, cluster information. Okay. So here Kubernetes control plane is running at HTTPS 10.218.20.105. Okay, this is where the cluster is running. Okay, so I will check the IP address here, IPA. Okay. So I will get this IP address. Okay. So you have 20.2015. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here. Okay, this is my control plane. Okay, this is my master server. Let me draw it here. So this one is Ubuntu. Okay. So I can see there are a lot of other aspects, other things that are running it here. So you can see they are running all the other parts also. We will see that later here. Okay. This is master 1. Okay. So I have one more here, master 2 here. Okay. So this is one more server, master 2. Then I have one more, okay, which is worker. Okay. So you have 3 here. One is master. The other one is also master. I have just renamed it as a master. It is not a master. I don't have control plane here. This I can also make as a worker node. Okay. One master, one as a worker node. Okay. So now let me see it here. I will run the get nodes commands here. Kube control, get nodes. Let me clear up this. Clear. Okay. So now I want to see that nodes here. Okay. So you see these are master 1 is ready. Okay. So the role here is you have control plane. So the age of this is 5 days 22 hours and this is the version here. Okay. And you have master 2. This is just I have renamed it to master 2. Okay. So this is ready and there is no role associated. I have not given any role. Okay. So now I want to have more details. Then I will do okay hyphen wide details. I want more details on this. Okay. So now I am able to get these IP address details here. Okay. So my master 1 is ready. This is control plane. Okay. Let me put it here. Copy. I will copy this. Then I will take it to our notepad. Then let me paste it. This is our master. Okay. Then we will go back and see our master 2. Okay. Paste. This is our master 2. This is master 1. This is normally this is also worker node. Okay. There is no role here. Then we have one more. So this is on the worker part. Okay. Enter. You see the OS image here. These are all 2 are Ubuntu here. One I have selected Rocky Linux 9.8. Okay. So the kernel also it is different here. So these kernels are identical. These I have copy pasted the VMs. Okay, I will make this two as a cluster. Not now. I will do it later. Okay. It's not okay. So I have not copied it. Okay. So you have so now we will see this is 2 I will keep it here, 1 I will keep it here. So if I want to run anything from here, this is my all I am having the control plane on this server on the particular IP address here, and this is my version. Okay. So now yesterday what we were facing issues is, okay, so this one it is not able to have a configurations here. Okay. So you have a kube config here, you will get the details. Okay. Let me show you. There will be configuration file here, okay, where you will be having a .cube./config. So this one we were not able to get these files. These files were erased from this master node. Okay, so I copied this file, then it started working. So that is issue number 1. Then I have enabled swap here. Swap was on. Okay. So if you are if you have enabled swap, then it will not work. So this got rebooted. Okay. If it gets rebooted, then it automatically it was turning on the swap here. So you should permanently disable the swap partition. Then only it will work. So then I disabled the swap partition. Then I have commented out /etc/fs tab, which will permanently disable your swap partition. Okay. So in interview, if they ask, okay, what issues you have faced in your production. So when you have worked, what are the issues you have faced? You tell them that I have faced these things, I have faced the configuration also. I copied, then it will be, it worked. So here what happens when you enable it, it will keep on running. Continuously it will be restarting the kubelet service and it will fail. Okay. So it will be trying to access it. So I am able to, I am trying to access the master node, then it will fail. Then it will try, then it will fail. If it is accessing, continuously it will be failing. Okay. That is issue number 2. Okay. Issue number 3 is, okay, so you have a network here, okay, there is a cluster here. So these are the node address. Okay, these are the node address. You will have a separate address for this. Okay, pods will have a Calcio pods. They will have a different address. Okay, let's say you have pods here. Pod means you will have 1 or 2 containers. Okay, so 2 containers are running here. Okay, let's say this. I will put it one more here. Okay. Let's say these are the containers you are running in the pod. This is okay. So here you will be having a separate IP address for this, which will be different from these IP address. Means, okay, so this IP address I have given it, this IP address, okay, 10.0.244.0.0/16. Okay, so these pods, they will be getting these IP addresses. Okay, so what I am trying to do is, okay, I am trying to do with, trying to install it with 192.168.0.0/16. Okay, so which it is not taking. Okay, I cannot take this IP address, okay, I cannot take it and I cannot join into the master here, okay, into the cluster, so that it is getting me error here. Same, I am working on the same issue here, okay, on the master one, on the server 2, let's say this is also worker, so where it was not working, when I am trying to add, it is telling, okay, I will not entertain this address. Okay, then I removed that, then it added it here. Okay, so one more issue is, this is third issue. Okay, first issue, second issue, first one is enable swap, then second one is config, third one is your IP addresses, fourth one is when I am trying to join. Okay, so I was not using the sudo command. Okay, so once you do the sudo command with the kubeadmin, then only it will join into that particular cluster, or else it will not join. Okay, so then there will be there are issues with copying that admin file also. Okay, so we have admin.conf here, where I am not able to get these files here. It was some installation issue. Okay, that is number 5. Okay, sudo is number 4, this is number 5. So then I try to join one more here. Okay, this is on the Rocky Linux part. Okay, so here we are not having the DNS here properly. Installation part we didn't have this installation. Okay, so then I have done all this, and then I have created this cluster and working model. Okay. So we'll see one by one. Okay. So we'll see it here. On the master 2. Okay. So let me clear it. Okay. Clear. So now I want to see the version here. Kube control version. What is the client here? So this is, so you will be using this to control it, to control or to get that information, okay, of the Kubernetes. So I will go back to here in our diagram here. So, come on. Okay. So these are the control plane here. So you will have API, okay, scheduler, control manager, configuration, and core DNS. Okay. On the worker node, you will have a kubelet, proxy, then plugin and runtime. Okay. So if you have runtime, then only your parts will be running here and the application will be running. Okay. This you will get the networking here. Okay. So kubelet, you will be contacting this server to get the information or what to do. Okay. So now you have kube control and admin here. Okay. These are the admin tools. So with this tool you can get the information here, or this is like a remote control. Whether you can keep these tools or you can put aside. These are the additional tools just to manage it. Okay. So now we will be using the kube control to check the information. This is on the master 1, master 2. So I want to see the cluster information. Kube control, cluster information. Cluster. This is where control plane and core DNS is running. Okay. So you see it here, core DNS and cluster plane. Okay. So this is my API server here. It is running. All these are running on this server now. Okay. So now I want to create a basic pod. So I want to run a websites here. Okay. So this what I will do, I will get one command here. Okay, I will create. I am going to create a pod here. Okay. Nginx pod. Okay. So here it got created. Nginx pod. It created a pod here, and it will be running. Now I want to see it. Okay, what exactly these are running. Okay, so you will be using kube control get pods here. So you will see now this pod, it is running now. Okay, it is creating. You see it is creating now. Its age is 22 seconds. It is still the container is, it is creating the container. So I will come back again. Okay. Still it is creating. This is not yet ready here. So I am already created two here, Nginx lab. One is running and one is crash loopback off. So it is getting crashed and then it is trying to restart. So it has restarted 47 times here. Within 4 hours, 11 minutes, it has restarted 47 times. So there is an issue with this particular pod here. Okay. So let me see how much time it will take. Okay. Now it started running. Okay. So I want to see more information on this. Then I will type -o void. Give me all the information. Okay. Now you see it here. These are running on Nginx pod is running on master 2. Okay. Let me go here. Okay. I will create I will get it. I will copy that output. Okay. You control get pods. This is the information that we got. Let that be here. So we'll take pen here. Okay. So we are running in worker 1, and master 2. Okay. So we have worker 1 VM here. Okay. This is one node here. We will be talking about node, worker VM. And then, so you are running here pods, Nginx, one pod. Okay. And one more you are running. Okay. This you have IP address 10.244.235.151. Okay. And it is 10.244.235.187. Okay. So on the worker node, on the master 2, you are running the Nginx pod. Just now we have done it. Okay, it is running 10.244.180.3. Okay. So which you are running now. Okay, I want to see more the details on this Nginx pod. Okay, what I will do? So I will go back to the command. So I want to see more details on it. Kubelet, kube control, describe, pod, Nginx, pod. Okay. So now it is giving me all details what exactly this is doing now. Okay. So namespace, what is it namespace, where this is running. Okay, the master node here. So where this is exactly running. Okay, on 20.97. Okay, so this status it is running. Okay, and what is the IP address of this particular pod. So these are all the container details, that what is the container, from where it pulled, all that information. So I don't want to go into container details. Now you all know how to get into the containers here. Okay. So let me see it, whether this is accessible. HTTP. Okay. 10.244.180.3. So on port 80. .244.180.3. So this you should be able to get that website here. Just now, just like how we were able to extract or check the website, it will be running like that. So I don't know why I am not able to access this website. So you should be able to access this web page here from this pod. Okay. So I will see why it is not working. In next class I will explain you what is the issue that we were facing it. Okay. So then that is done, and then so I want to delete the pod here. So let me put it I want to delete the pod now. Okay. So we are going to delete pod nginx pod. Okay. Delete. Okay. So nginx pod got deleted now. Okay. So now we will see the status here. What is the status? Okay. So you see it got deleted. Okay. So only 2 pods are running. Let me create it and then delete. Okay. So run. We'll see get pods. So it is creating here. Okay. So I will delete it here. Delete. Okay. So you see it. This is terminating here. Okay. So this pod is being terminating, means it is deleting. Okay. So that is how you will be doing it. You will be checking it. You get all the IP address, node name, image name, all that information you will get it with that. Okay. So then we will be doing it with YAML file. Okay. So let me show you the YAML file here. Cat probes.pod. This is one YAML file. So from YAML file I will be creating it. Okay. So this is probe demo, my container name, image. Okay. These are all the specification. Okay. So how I want to run it. So now what I will do, I am going to apply this. And then I will try to run it. Okay. Kubi kube control apply f probes.pod YAML file. Okay. So now I will this it is already trying to create it now. Kube control get pods. Okay. Now your container is being created here. So 10 seconds. Okay. So I want to get more information on this. You need to wait for a 20 to 30 seconds to make it is running. Okay. See that is still being created here. So just like how your VMs will get created, this pod also being created here. Yeah, now it is running now. Okay. So now you want to get more details, then you need to be using kube control describe describe the pod probe demo. Okay. Okay. So now it is giving the all information from where it got created, all that information. Okay. So this it is running again on master 2. Okay. So when it got what is the start time? So all these this is the annotation where the IP addresses is being picked up. Okay. You are getting the IP address where your server is giving these IP addresses. Okay. This is the IP address and this is the container ID, container daemon, and it is running this image ID. It is getting from Docker hub, and you are running it here. Okay. So let me check if whether this is able to give me that information. http 10.244.180.5. These are not able to access outside. Okay, so we will be looking at that. The next classes we will be seeing why you will be not able to access these. Okay, so you have all these information here. Okay, now you see it here. This is still running. So you see it here, it is coming up as 0/1. It is not yet ready here. Okay. Why this happens? Okay. So because pods gets removed from the endpoints. Okay. If they won't receive traffic, then it will be restarted automatically. Okay. If they don't get any response, then it will restart it. Okay, let me get whether this is getting it. Okay. So we will wait for 1 minute, then we will go with the other one. Okay. So I don't want to delete this probe demo. Okay, let it be running. Okay. So we will create one more. I have one more here. So cat initiate demo. Okay, this is YAML file. So where you will be using a initial demo and you will be wait for something. Okay, this is BusyBox. So image is BusyBox. Okay, so it will be in the main app. Container name will be main app, and you will be running the Nginx here. Okay, so I will be applying same here. Cube control, then apply. I am going to initiate this. Okay, so now this got created now. Okay, so I want to run it in a separate terminal. I want to watch what is happening. Okay, I don't want to do the hopping. I just want to have the demo here. It should be keep on running here. So what I do, I will open one more terminal. Okay, so I will get it. What I will do, I will put a watch here. Watch cube control get pods. Okay, so this I am running it now. Okay, initial demo. Okay, this is ready, and now I am able to see that this is on ready mode now. Okay. So I want to see the details. Okay. you see it. Okay. So you want to describe, you want to see pod, probe, initial, demo. Okay. So this is all the information. Let me see if I am able to access this here. Okay. Initializing sleep 10 echo done. Okay. This is what that particular pod is all about. Okay. I don't want to delete this one also. Let this one also be running it here. Okay. Let's see how many pods we can run it. Okay. So now we will create one more here, sidecar. Okay. So I will open. Okay. Cube control. Apply. F1F. Sidecar. Demo.yaml file. Okay. Now you see their sidecar is coming here. Okay. Now you see these are running now. Okay. So let me show you why it is having two here, only one it here, one. So let me see what that is. Okay, I will clear this cat sidecar demo.yaml file. Okay, now you see in the container you have name here, main app 1, and then sidecar you have one more here. So you are just running some command here and you are just creating a container here. So two containers you are running in this pod here. So all are running it only one here, but you are running two containers here in this pod. Okay. So that is what all it says. Okay. So I will clear this. Okay. Let this be running it here. So if I get memory full, then only I will be deleting it. So now we will be doing. Okay. So now what I will do, okay, I will connect inside this container. I will go inside into this container now. Okay. So what I will do, okay, so I am going to copy. So this is my sidecar demo. Okay. So cube control. Execute. Okay. And then sidecar demo. So these are my pods. Okay. C main app. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. Bin bash. Okay. -, bin bash. C main app. Okay. Now you see it here. I am into root sidecar demo. Okay, I am typing W here. Okay, ls. So you see, I have. I will type IPA. So I just got a shell. I am directly into the container now. So I have directly logged into container. Let me put it here. Apt-get. I will type update. Let's see. See that it is running. I am updating it inside the container here. So I am running it inside the container where it is updating all the packages here. Then I will run opt-get install -y curl. Okay. So I am going to install the curl here inside the container. I am doing it. Okay. So now I will do curl localhost 80. Okay. So now it is running here. 60 sidecars. So this is how you will be running. Okay, exit. Okay, I came out from that particular pod here. Okay, from the container I just came out. Okay, you see these sidecars, they are still running. So all the other pods also running it here. So only one. This is having two now. Okay. So let's say we will have auto recovery. We will do one more auto recovery option. Cat liveness demo. Okay, I will clear this. So this is one container I will be using, busy box. So this, what the command is, in the container it will be doing it and then it will go sleep for 600 seconds. Okay. So initial delay 5 seconds and then it will be updating it for every 5 seconds. Okay. So let me apply this. Okay. Now cube control apply -f liveness demo .ml. Okay. So now you see it. This will be created now here. Pod liveness demo. Got it here now. It's creating now. Okay. At first it will be fine. Okay, what it will do at first, fine, it will be doing. After 30 seconds, what it will do, so it will sleep for 30 seconds. Okay, then temp will be deleted. After this you are deleting the temp here, then you are sleeping for 600. This is what you are doing it on the container here in the busy box. So busy box is one OS. Let me show you this one, busy box. What distro watch. Okay. I will search for busy box. So Docker Hub, so you will be getting this image busy box. This I am using it for a small version. Okay. So every time you see it, one is it is restarting. So once it deletes, okay, the live probeness starts failing it here. Okay. So this will execute the command, then cat, then temp health. After that, it will keep on restarting it here. If you see it here, let me get these details. Okay. So every 10 minutes, it keep on restarting it here. Now you see, it restarted it here. Okay, 10 seconds ago. So every 2 minutes it's restarting. Okay, it will be checking it, and then it will be restarting that. So means it will be running it. Okay. So now we will let these be running. Okay, I will do one more here. So I will create a broken pod. Okay. So I have a broken pod here. Cat. Broken pod. Okay. So let me clear it. Cat. Broken pod. Okay. So name Nginx. It is starting and then sleep exit. That's it. It's not complete. Okay. It will be broken. Now let's say we'll run this. Okay. Cube control. Apply. F broken pod. Okay. So now we'll see it here. This one will keep on creating now. Okay. Like you will be creating broken pod here, container creating. Okay. This is running. Okay. So now what we will see, okay, we will see what are the details there to troubleshoot this. Okay. Describe pod on the broken pod. Okay. So these are all the commands. Okay. Echo, starting, sleep 5 exit, running, last state terminated. Reason is there is an error. Okay. Exit code 1. Ready, true. Okay. Restart. Okay. It is giving us all the details here. Okay. So you want to see why that is being broken here. We will see that logs here. Cube control logs on the broken one. Broken pod. So it says, okay, this is what you see it here, crash loop back off. It's not yet ready. Okay. I will see starting. So it keep on going in loop. Okay. So you want to see broken pod previous. Okay. What was the previous error? So it is keep on restarting. Now you see that the status is in error now. You see, now it is in error state. So these are all running now. Now it is crash loop back off It's now trying to restart it. Restarted 4 times. Okay. So like that you will be inspecting all that. I don't want to go into complete details of the troubleshooting. We will stop it here. We will do one more, the last part. Okay. So where we will be seeing that we will be running Nginx here, kube control. I want to run web, okay, web pod, then image is equals to Nginx, okay, port on 80, okay. So it got created here, my web pod, okay. So I want to make it port forwarding here, kube control, port forward web 888 to 80. Kube control port forward web pod is not running, okay. So this is still in pending, okay. Let me run it again one more time. Okay. Yeah, it started running now, okay. So now let's see if I am able to access this, okay. Okay, now it started forwarding. Localhost. So we'll see curl http localhost on 888. Okay. So I am checking whether I am able to access that or not. Okay. Curl http. Okay. Localhost. Now you see handling connection for 888. Okay. So I got a response from this pod here where the website is running. If I am trying to access it, it is telling, okay, I got a response. This is what the website says. If you see this page, Nginx is successfully installed and working. Further configuration is required for web server. Okay. So this is all the documentation part. So this is how you will be running the pods from the Kubernetes here. Okay. So I believe like you just saw and you didn't understand it. Let me pause the